Hello, Namaskar, good morning, Northeast. Time to begin another very beautiful day and that too on a very positive note. I'm Hansraj, welcoming you from the studios of Program Production Center, Northeast Doordarshan, Guwahati. And it's time for us to start this day. Well, let's start off in a very positive note. Well, a few words that I would like to share with you all. As a rule, man is a fool. When it is hot, he wants it cold. And when it's cold, he wants it hot. Always wanting what is not. Well, we human beings have the tendency to ask for things and complain for things that we don't have, but we are never grateful for things that we have. But let's be grateful for all that we have, whatever it may be, small or big, little or more. Let us be grateful to whatever we have. Well, in this edition of Good Morning Northeast, we have a lot many segments coming up for you, but at the outset, we have someone very special for you, a very popular and respected face of Assamese cinema. She is the first Assamese actress to win the National Film Award for Best Actress for her performance in the Assamese film Pirungoti way back in 1992. Moloya Goswami here with us in this edition of Good Morning Northeast. Good morning, Baido. Welcome to our show.
Good morning, very good morning.
It's a real pleasure to have you here with us. Well, Baido, to begin with, your idea of a perfect day. What is your idea of a perfect day?
At the outset, I'd like to thank you for inviting me to the show. Well, it's been really a pleasure for me to be here with you, Hansraj. For me, just now, the thought of the day, what you have mentioned, that is the real meaning of what I think that is the real meaning of happiness. Well, happiness, according to me, it should be always very positive.
Absolutely.
Positivity, sincerity, honesty, which are the meaning of happiness. And yes, we think of ourselves only, but sometimes we have to think for others also.
Absolutely right.
Right?
Yes.
So that will give you immense pleasure, immense happiness. I think that is the real meaning of
Exactly,
happiness.
and that's how you started day. Wonderful, wonderful. Well, now, Waido, coming to your, your line of work. You started off with Agni Snan in 1985, and you had the privilege of working with two great directors of Assamese cinema, both of them nationally as well as of international repute, Dr. Bhabendranath Khoikia and Dr. Jahnu Barua. Well, share with us, the experience that started off with Agni Snan way back in 1985.
Yes, very true. They are the doyens of Assamese film industry. Well, I had the opportunity to work with these doyens of Assamese cinema, Dr. Bhabendranath Khoikia and Sri Jahnu Barua. Well, I'm really very fortunate enough to work with Dr. Bhabendranath Khoikia. I learned a lot from him regarding the discipline of cinema. So that was my first movie, Agni Snan. So my first movie with Dr. Bhabendranath Khoikia, it's a great thing for an artist actually. So for me too, working with this great person, learning about the film regarding characterization, how to act and how to deal with the different situations. That is a very exceptional experience for me, and especially Agni Snan and portraying the role of Menoka. And this is an exceptional movie, what I think, according to the storyline. This is very exceptional. And playing the role of Menoka, I think that is a dream character of every artist. Menoka, so powerful. It's a symbol of protest in the society, what is, male chauvinism and the male chauvinistic society. That is in true sense, you can say that Menoka is a symbol of protest. And that is working with him. Yes, already I have told you that I learned a lot regarding cinema. And my third movie, which is Agni Snan, is highly acclaimed by the international level also.
Exactly.
So my third movie with Dr. Jahnu Barua. So that is also a very relevant, the story is very relevant to the present society, especially in educational field.
Right, exactly.
That is, it has, in the movie it has shown educational problem.
Exactly,
It has
educational
shown,
problems.
right? So there also I played the very simple character of a teacher, but to bring the simplicity, that is quite a challenge for me.
Exactly.
So I don't know regarding the justice what I have done to these characters, but I tried my level best.
How impactful was the real life for the real life?
Oh yes, you can say that because I'm in real life, I'm a
Exactly.
I'm a teacher. So it has helped me a lot to portray the role of Ritu Borua in Feringoti.
Right.
So of course this real life and real life, I have both. I have somehow we have related these two in this movie. So it has been very helpful for me to portray the role of Ritu Borua in that movie. And of course Januda. Working with Januda also, it's a great experience for me.
Right.
So later on, I've acted in another movie of Janu Borua, and this was Konika Ramdhenu.
Konika Ramdhenu, right. Now, apart from being a great actress, you are also a mother to two beautiful daughters, Nimisha and Nishita. Of course, viewers, they know it very well. Nishita happens to be one of the popular faces, very popular actress of Assamese cinema. So, how challenging was it for you to bring them up as children, and of course, when they, ventured into the field of acting?
Yes, Nishita, everybody knows, she's a renowned artist at present, and my younger daughter, she is also working. But what this is a balance. What you have mentioned about the balance between family life and the professional life and the cinema life. Yes, that is I think this can be done by anyone, and it's not me that I'm working in this free field, but many of our women are working in all the fields. No, they are somehow they are balancing their life somewhere. But this, time factor is very important, where you have to devote your time. How much time you have to devote? How you can devote? So that I must be very careful in doing justice to all the areas, all the fields. I must do justice. So always I try to be very sincere to my professional life as a teacher. Always I try. So it's a give and take policy. Somewhere you have to something you have to
understand. You have to compromise, and you have to go along.
Compromise. Yes, very true. Somewhere I have to compromise. So and one thing I would like to tell you. That is the support of the family, which is very important.
Exactly.
So without the support of the family, it's not possible. From my parents to my in-laws to my husband, children, and in professional life also my colleagues and other people, and especially my audiences, they must appreciate me. So these supports are very important for artists.
Right, definitely. Well, viewers will carry on with her candid conversation with Bhola Agoswami, but it's time for another segment coming up. So let's have a look at this segment, and we'll carry our conversation after this.
More eyes sukupani, aro deutar kopalor gham, kon dekhor matit khori pore. রিমঝিম বরখুনে নেপুর বাজায় কোট কোট গির গির দাওরে নো মাদল বাজায় কোট এই অসম দেশত এই মাইহান বাতিত খোৱাত পানী যাছে কোনে কোট কাৰ পদুলিৰ কেতে কিনো মলে মলাই কোট এই অসম দেশত এধানি নৈ সাগৰ হয় কোট কোট সাগৰকো ভয় নকৰে ন কোনে কোট এই অসম দেশত আইৰে চকুৰে মুকুতানো খৰে ক'ত সেই মুকুতাৰে মণি পিন্ধি সাহ পাওঁ ক'ত মোৰ দেউতাৰে কপালৰে ঘাম খৰে ক'ত সেই ঘাম দেখি মৰো যেনে লাগে মোৰ ক'ত মোৰ অসম দেশত মোৰ কলিজাৰে সুৰবোৰ বুজে কোনে ক'ত ন পুৰুষে দেশৰ হকে তেজ দিয়ে ক'ত আনে কৰা উপলুঙা কোফৰাইনো ক'ত এই মোৰ অসম দেশত ৰিম ঝিম ৰিম ঝিম বৰষুণে নেপুৰ বজাই ক'ত ক'ত গিৰ 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 দাৱৰে নমো মাদল বজাই ক'ত এই অসম দেশত এই অসম দেশত
And after that segment, it's time for us to carry forward our conversation with the very popular face and the most respected face of Assamese cinema, Moloya Goswami, out here with us in this edition. Well, Moloya, coming over to your selection of roles, we know that you are very selective about the roles you play. So how do you gear yourself up? How do you prepare yourself for the roles?
Very true, Hansraj. I am very selective. Of course, regarding the script, first of all, I prefer the script should be a meaningful one, that it should carry some positive message to the society, that what I want. And the second thing is that regarding the character, selection of character. So the character which I prefer, which I select, that the character should be not only positivity, but the thing is that the character should have some contribution to the script. It should be always some contributory factor should be there that it can contribute to the script.
Right.
So it doesn't matter whether the character is a small character or a big character. It doesn't matter. But thing is that it should have some contribution to the script. That is what I prefer, or what I see when I select a character or a script. That is very important for me.
Exactly. And how challenging has it been for an actor or an actress, to prepare oneself, especially when it comes to regional cinema, considering the fact that there is a big challenge from Bollywood cinema. We have to survive. We have to present ourselves into the national and the international audience.
The thing is that, competing with the Bollywood, regional cinema, that is not a very easy job. To competing with the Hollywood or Bollywood. I am not talking about Hollywood, but it's very difficult to compete with the Bollywood or cinema of South or any other areas. So anyways, even in Bengal also, they are marching forward. I mean, but still we are competing, and we are trying to compete, and technically also they are very upgraded. So that is very difficult, but anyways our boys are now doing very well in this regard, regarding script, regarding camera work, in any other technical field also they are doing very well. So definitely we are very hopeful that nowadays you have we have examples how they are competing with the outside world. So definitely we expect something very positive in the coming days also.
And is there any particular character that you love to play in due course of time, which you haven't played, which you have seen, maybe an English movie or a Hindi movie or any other regional movie that you saw and you thought it to be a very powerful character which you would like to reenact sometime or the other?
Yes, as an artist, definitely we have some dreams to play. I always like to play some challenging roles, always. not the as usual kind of mother like that. So I always prefer some challenging roles. Here I can mention one role to you only.
Yeah, sure. Please, we'd love to know that.
Just in my mind.
Right.
So Savana Ajmi in one movie, she played the role of witch. I mean,
Okay, witch. Okay.
Yeah, witch in the movie. I think Makri or something like that in the movie.
Oh yes, you're talking about
Did
the
you
children
remember?
movie. Yeah,
Children movie,
Makri. Yes,
yes, not a dream character, but still, I would like to play
Exactly.
such type of role. In my, I mean, I don't know whether I'll get it or not, but
you'd love to play that
I'd
role.
love to play that.
Well,
role.
for those who are upcoming directors out there, if anybody would like to come up with such a movie, a scary movie, then definitely you can
Please
sign.
remember me.
Exactly. Now, let's go back to that moment, when technology wasn't that upgraded, but still then the storyline was such that you played in such a way that you were called upon to go and collect the prize, the best, best actress in the National Film Award.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
that was a different feeling altogether.
That was a different feeling, different. It's a great memory. Memory is still, I mean, it's...
Did you ever think that such an award and such an accolade will come over to you?
No, you see, Hansraj, in my first movie, the Agnisnan, they actually, in that movie, Menoka, the role, which has been highly acclaimed by these jury members, in National Film Festival, they appreciated it very much. And lots of people say that Malaya Goswami will get the Best Actress Award in her first movie. So some kind of aspirations, some kind of hopes were there.
Of course,
but still I couldn't make it anyways. But in my third movie, when Januda has given me the scope, or Januda given me the opportunity to act in his movie, and where also I tried my level best, and in that way I got the
Exactly.
God
You created the spark. You
Yeah.
created the spark.
Yes. Thank you. Anyway, God helped me. So in my third movie, when I got the award, so it's then I say that the award is not for me, but it's for my Assam.
Right.
It's my place. So the award, when I got that award, it was a tremendous experience for me. It's a great experience for me. And when I received the award in Delhi, I don't know how to express my feelings at this moment, but still
We can
it is
understand. We
alive
can
in my
understand that.
mind, yeah.
Well, a lot many things to talk about, but of course we also have scheduled time.
Yeah.
But before we actually move towards the end, one thing that we'd like to know, your forthcoming film calendar, that also has a very unique plot and has been
Yes.
treated in a very different way. Please share with our viewers what the film is all about.
Definitely, I would love to. That's a movie, very simple movie. It's a story of a very semi-urban, you can say that, small town.
Right.
It's a family of a small town, and very few characters are there. Arunnath is playing opposite me, and upcoming actor Gunjan Varadwaj was there. He also playing a role, but at the same time, it's a very small, simple story. It's about the family. It's about the father and mother and the son, and rather you can say it's a conflict. Conflict, but conflict has been shown in a very positive way.
Very nice.
It's a positive way. It's a relation between the generations, what we generally say, old generation, new generation.
Right.
But this is also a conflict which has been shown in a very simple way, very positive way. So I think it will carry a good message to the society also.
Yeah, we have with us a very respected lady, a very popular face and a respected actress of Assamese cinema, Malaya Bado. We are about to bid goodbye, but at the same time, we'd like to know a few things, a rapid fire rounds. Well, not too hard for you, of course. Your favorite color when it comes to Mekhela Chadar.
Oh, I like.
Yeah, of course, you're wearing yellow.
Yeah. I like especially green, white, Both are
Okay,
my
wonderful.
favorite.
Your favorite dish?
Simple khana, not very spicy, not very oily.
Okay.
But yes, I like tenga and rice and fish tenga.
Okay. Now, of all the characters that you have played so far, any particular character that's your favorite? Of course, that will be very hard
Oh
for
my
you.
God, I can't tell you that. It's very difficult. It's very difficult.
Okay, it's
but
not-
of course, I must mention Menoka in Ognisnan and also Firingoti, Ritu Borwa. These are definitely, you cannot, avoid actually these
Exactly.
two
Your
characters,
favorite
actually.
place, your favorite destination where you'd like to go or where you have been before?
Yes, I'd like to go to Bhutan, our
Neighboring country,
state,
yeah.
neighboring country. Yes, I'd like to go to Bhutan. It's a very disciplined, very cool, very nice place.
Okay. And the best time of the year when all you people get together, you, your husband, your daughters, all together. Any particular point of time, like your Bihu or Puja, when is it?
It's generally in Bihu. Bihu. I would like to spend my time with the family, Bihu time. So even in Puja also.
Okay.
So,
And your favorite movie?
favorite movie, there are lots.
There are lots. Well, it's impossible
It's
for you
very
to.
impossible,
Okay. Any favorite singer or song for the matter?
Favorite singer, of course, Bhupenda is always all-time favorite. And Lata Mangeshkar, this is my favorite. And of course, in present generation, there are lots of good singers are there. But still, if you want to, if I like some, songs you have
Yeah, exactly,
just
exactly.
mentioned about the songs. There is another very beautiful song of Lata Mangeshkar.
Well,
Yes. आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे.
okay. Would you like to hum a few lines? Would you like
Me?
to? Yeah.
Oh.
Would you like to give it a try?
Okay, just you just join me.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay.
Hope I remember the lyrics first. Yes, yes.
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे दिल की ये धड़कन ठहर जा मिल गई मंजिल मुझे. बस
Oh God, that's really nice, so very nice. We have never heard Maulaya Baidu singing before. Well, for those who would like to give her a try, if you would like her to give it a try for any singing, for any songs, for any particular movie, definitely. Yes, yeah, we've got a wonderful
Most
voice
welcome.
out here. Well, Maulaya Baidu, thank you so much. You've been so sweet, so candid, and it's really nice to have you here in this edition of Good Morning Northeast. We wish you all the best, and we hope that your forthcoming film calendar has a huge footfall,
Yeah, I
so that
wish.
people go and watch the
I
movie.
need wishes, definitely.
Yeah, of course, the best wishes are always there. And Maulaya Baidu, thank you so much once again for being here in this edition of Good Morning Northeast.
Thank you so much to you too, Hansraj. It's been a pleasure being with you.
Well, dear viewers, a very candid conversation with one of the popular and one of the most respected actress of Assamese cinema, Maulaya Goswami. Well, it's time for us to say goodbye from this edition of Good Morning Northeast. But right now, coming up for you, yes, yoga, Om, a program coming up for you, and it's time for you to get healthy. So stick to it and watch the program coming up next, Om. And we wish you a healthy life. Thank you so much for being with us all this while.